If you want to create your own AI chat on Instagram and chat with it, you can do that. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create your own AI chat on Instagram and start chatting with it. First, open the Instagram app. At the bottom, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on your profile photo. Once you do, you'll see a plus button at the top. Click that plus button. After that, you'll notice an AI option. Tap on it. When you do, you'll be prompted to describe your AI. You'll see some suggestions there. You can pick from those suggestions, but it's better to type in topics you're interested in. For example, I'm typing something like this. Then, at the bottom, you'll see a next button. Click it, and you'll get some options to choose from. After that, you'll see another next button. Click the next button. Once you do, the AI will automatically generate an image that fits your topic. If you don't like the image, click Create Image. You'll see an option to enter a prompt. You can type your own prompt to create a custom image. For example, I like this photo, so I'm selecting it and clicking the Done button. Once you do that, the photo will be selected. Then, click the Next button. You'll be asked to name your AI. Pick any name you like. For instance, I'm choosing this name. You can type your own name too. After that, click the Next button. You'll then be prompted to add an introduction. You can choose from the given options or write your own. Once you've done that, click the Next button. You'll see some more options. Here, you can set your audience. There's an audience option. Click it. By default, it's set to everyone. But if you don't want others to use your AI, you can select only me or close friends. That way, only your close friends can use it. There's also a Show on My Profile option. If you want to display this AI on your profile, turn it on, otherwise, you can turn it off. There's also a Discoverability option. Click it, and you can choose your preferences. If you want your AI on Messenger or WhatsApp, turn that on. If not, you can disable it. After that, click the Done button. There's also an Advanced Settings option. Click it. You'll see options for an introduction and welcome message. If you want a welcome message, type it here. There's also an Icebreakers option. If there's no topic to discuss, the AI will generate a question automatically. You can type that question here to keep the conversation going. There's also an Instructions option. If you want to add instructions, click Add, and you can include them here. If you want a specific style, there's an Example Dialog option. Click Add, and you can type a prompt and response. The AI will then respond in that style. You can also enable image generation for your AI by turning it on. If you don't want that, turn it off. You can also enable a search option if you'd like, or turn it off if you don't need it. Set it according to your preferences. Once you're done, click the Done button. Your settings will be saved. Then, click Chat with AI. When you click that, your AI will be created. Wait a few seconds, and your AI will be ready. You can ask it questions just like a normal chat, and it'll reply to you. If you go to your profile, you'll see your AI there. Click it, and you can start chatting with it. That's how you can easily create and chat with your AI on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.